Hello, I'm Viva. Today we'll learn fruit and berries. Listen and repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's start. Repeat after me. It's an apple. It's a pear. It's a plum. It's a lemon. It's a kiwi. It's a strawberry. It's a pineapple. It's a raspberry. It's an orange. It's a cherry. It's a lime. It's a tangerine. Now look at the picture. What's this? Say the word. Yes, it's an apple. What's this? Yes, it's a pear. What's this? It's a plum. What's this? What's this? It's a kiwi. What's this? It's a strawberry. What's this? It's a pineapple. What's this? It's a raspberry. What's this? It's an orange. What's this? It's a cherry. What's this? It's a lime. What's this? It's a tangerine. Great job! Well done! Don't forget to like and subscribe.